raining and all. They're still out here. Big boys. I just wanted to give you a quick little update. Videos are coming out still. Videos, pictures. Pictures are going to be a little late, but time you see this video, pictures will be out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pictures, videos, all that stuff will be out. All that good stuff. All the good stuff. Yeah, but we still have 3 males available. If you're interested in Black Panther, Brindleman, Dusty Rhodes, Black Panther, the Brindle Boy, they are available. So if you're interested in any 3 of these puppies, contact me. The other 2 boys are the keepers. Black Panther, Black Panther. If you're interested, contact me. Come on, boys. Come on. Black Panther. If you're interested, contact me. 718-360-3613. Those 2 males right there are available. So contact me. 718-360-3613. It's Mel, Palace Finders Bullies. Get with me. You can contact me on Instagram, Facebook, and obviously you can text my phone number. Black Panther. Black Panther. Black Panther. It's raining and all. I ain't having a good time. So contact me if you are interested. It's raining outside. Well, it's like light drizzle. It's nothing serious. A little rain can't stop the recording. Rain, sleet, snow, we still recording. And they're gonna be in shaving, so they're gonna dry up, and plus they're about to eat anyway. I'm about to hydrate them, some water. So if you're interested, contact me. The keepers is playing Southwest T and Michi. The boys are available. Like I said, videos and pictures of all the puppies between my keepers and the ones that are available are on my Instagram page. I am going to put my Instagram page down below, and I'm also going to put my my Facebook down below. And you might see their ears might still look a little raw. They are healed. I am going to put some new stock. I've been putting blue coat. So if you look at that one puppy, if you look at Southwest T ear, if you look at him a little bit, he has blue coat still on him. So even that boy right there, he still has blue coat on him. So I don't want to hear, oh, you ain't taking care of them. I am taking care of them. This is what I do. I'm very, very excited to see how these boys mature. And I'm keeping them very lean, just letting them lean, let them grow into this. I'm not going to put all that weight on them. And you mess up, putting weight on them, because Eastie, Westies, and all that good stuff, you know. I mean, all that bad stuff, you know. And that's how we had the tick problem. Come here. Come on. I'm going to spray them down anyway. Come here. Spray them down. Anyway, when they get inside, I'm going to spray them down with the peppermint spray. But these puppies are going to be ABKC, UKC registered. I'm waiting on the WBA paperwork right now as we speak. So they will have the WBA. What's up, Black Panther? 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 What's up? What's up, Southwest? What's up, Southwest? What's up, Southwest T? What's up, Southwest T? Michi. Michi. What's up, Michi? What's up, Michi? Talk to him, Michi. Talk to him, Michi. Talk to him, Michi. Talk to him, Michi. Oh, look at Brindle Man. What's up, what's up, what's up? Dusty Roads. What you talking about, Meech? What you talking about? What you talking about? The boys that's available, they sitting here playing Black Panther. He playing around, doing his thing. So if you're interested in one of these males, well, except for Southwest T, Meech, those 3, 1, 2, and Black Panther are available. Contact me, 718-360-3613. 718-360-3613. This Mel, Palace Finest Bullies. 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 I'm checking the one puppy ear. And they socialize with kids. You know, they play with kids. They're good with kids. If you see some of my holding pictures, there's a kid holding the puppy. They, you know, very friendly. You know, so let me get them back inside. Like I said, it's a little drizzle. Not scared of a little rain. If we got you got the shavings. So come here. Those 2 available. Look at the available boys. Those 2 available over there. I mean, those 3. So if you're interested, any one of these puppies, 3, contact me. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Contact me, 718-360-3613. Mel, Palace Finest Bullies. I am out.